I'm Chris Jones, the CEO of Icon UK. We do high volume personalised document communications and identity management. So there's two elements to that. There's the personalised high volume communications and there's the identity management. On the personalised communications, the term Omni Channel is something that's increasingly being used by marketeers and customer service people, and that's all about being able to engage people over every channel that is available today, and that is increasingly a costly, critical and important problem for every organisation. On the other hand, at some stage you need to get documents actually signed. That could be legal consents, it could be transactions, it could be contracts, and for that we have a way of identifying people in real time when they sign the contract. Is it them or isn't it them? All part of a seamless end-to-end process that reduces fraud, and moreover it reduces cost and increases revenues for our client organisations. So an example of each is firstly, in terms of high volume document communications, our software is used in 75% of the top 30 insurance companies in Germany, 40% of the top banks, and for that we're able to handle all types of communications. Structured communications, that's typically the legacy problem of high volume print. It's your personalised, interactive in terms of call centre as well as face-to-face mobile or in the field interactions, and it's all your web portal interactions, which typically, according to the analysts, Gartner, Forrester and the like, have got between 6 and 20 different systems in place to handle all those different types of channels, media formats and the like. With ourselves you get one system that covers all of those in a brand consistent manner across every channel, and because of the smart use of templates, the smart use of object technology, therefore we're able to get maximum automation and reuse, but also the maximum of personalisation, so that in our communications it won't just be dear sir or dear Mr. Jones, it'll be all about the content that we know about you, and with our partners analytics we can take that data and actually personalise it, make it relevant to the organisation so it fits. And at a click of a button the same content can be personalised for social media, for PDF output, for print and a whole raft of other output channels. Yes, so we're a software vendor, and so this is the data for all this actually sits with our clients. It's on their systems, either on premise, or for ourselves we can deploy that on a cloud basis, but they still own the data itself. As far as the manipulation of that, the integration of that with other systems, that's all pretty straightforward stuff. And so therefore, as far as the big challenge across most organisations today is about data integration and the use of that intelligently for analytics, making it personalised and doing that in real time. And if I look at and compare organisations that are our clients versus organisations that aren't, those that aren't have typically got very siloed, stovepiped approaches with different systems, different data, even inconsistent brand images across the different channels that they use. Whereas with ourselves, you have one set of signed off brand images, signed off text, that legal, compliance, marketing and all the departments have actually signed off on, and we have software that automatically enables that to be deployed on a multilingual basis. So for example, ADAC is the largest vehicle club across Europe, and we deploy up to 20+ million members' communications across multiple different channels. Now for marketing outbound communications, that used to take 9 months to get that compliant legally from a regulatory perspective, it being right from a marketing spin. That 9 months is now compressed to 3 weeks, and most of that time now isn't the IT part, it's actually just the discussion between the different departments in terms of what they want to get out there. I think it's all about putting the customer at the centre of things, and that's really about making sure that your systems are end-to-end as seamless as possible, and that there's appropriate personalisation at every stage. And for that you need the integration of a number of different systems. We supply some core critical infrastructure from that perspective, from both document creation, output management, the ability to sign and identify from that signing. But in addition, we work with partners who will supply analytics and supply some of the other parts of the entire end-to-end life cycle.